Weatherman, don't tell me lies, I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning and welcome to WEITV. Showers and thunderstorms around the area. We are back on the air even though the drought across Texas is still continuing. El Nino has been a huge influence across the area and is improving. The areas in yellow, orange, and red across the central portions and northwestern portions of Texas still means that there is drought to contend with, but 60 to 70% of the state in the white out of drought. That's great news. Looking at a graphic behind me, you see here in red, these are temperatures across the Pacific Ocean. In the red, warmer than average. And so that's due to El Nino. And El Nino conditions are strengthening across the Pacific Ocean. Unfortunately, that means leading to flooding waters. This is from Edge Falls here in Texas, and this image was provided by one of our co-workers, and so thank you to her for sending that our way. El Nino provides rainfall across the area, and unfortunately at times flooding waters. We hope not to see that, but we do welcome the rain back. Here's our current scenario across Texas. We got a stationary front across the northern portion of the area. Moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico and upper level disturbances. What does that mean for us for the rest of this week? Well, this image shows rainfall through the end of the week. Friday, a pretty good chance of getting some heavy rainfall across the Texas Hill Country, but most portions of Texas should see some rainfall throughout the rest of this week. Transitioning into the weekend, we have another major system coming in, upper level wave. That's going to produce more rainfall across most portions of Texas and could lead to historic rainfalls in certain portions of the Texas area, all filling up our basins and filling up our aquifers, which is all good news. And so that means the drought conditions are going to continue to improve across the central portions of Texas. Well, looking into the weekend, our temperatures are going to be constant, highs in the 80s and lows in the 60s. See down here in our green, well, that just means chances of rainfall pretty much throughout this week and into the weekend. And of course, Memorial Day, we also have continued rain chances.
You look at clouds and watch them swirl, and then you take us for a whirl and try to tell us that you know the truth. I was watching